Alright, so good evening everyone. So today we got a very special package from Google. So it's kind of obvious since today is 27th of August 2025. Therefore, it's none other than the new Pixel 10 as I ordered a new one. Okay, so the reason I bought this is because I'm replacing my very old Pixel 6. So okay, apologize for the very yellow case, but yeah, a black Pixel 6 256GB, which is in black color obviously, but I put a wrap on it because I think it's just too boring. So I put like a marble like sticker, which I bought it on Shopee directly from Indonesia, which is not bad, but the cuttings are pretty bad, I would say. But for the price, it's fine. I think it's around 40 during the launch of this. So yeah. Now the problem with Pixel 6 is that first, it cannot be turned on because it can turn on, just that the screen won't work because as you can see, it has broken. So this screen is not actually the original one, so I've replaced it by my own. And unfortunately, I don't think the replaced screen has any kinds of protection like a Gorilla Glass something. So yeah, it's just very fragile. So yep, that's what I get for being cheapskate. But it doesn't matter because I'm about to replace it. So let's put the Pixel 6 here. Now to open this, I'll need a knife. Now for the specs of my Pixel 10 is an indigo color, and it's 256 storage as well. Now my experience with the 256GB Pixel 6 is, I would say, I definitely need more storage because I've already filled up my the one inside the Pixel 6, but it mostly just filled with videos that I haven't uploaded to Google Photos. Why? Because it's so damn huge and I don't want to like fill up my Google Photos, my Google One storage that quickly. So that's the reason why. Okay, I don't know how to open this. Well, partly because I'm pretty nervous, but we'll give it a try because I've been waiting this for so damn long. Now, why Pixel 10 over Pixel 6? Okay, so first and foremost is because of the new Tensor 5. Okay, the problem with the original Tensor, you can call it just Tensor or Tensor G1, it depends, but since it's using Exynos, we have something. The problem with Exynos is that it is very inefficient, not that powerful, but I don't really mind that part. It's just that it's thermal throttling a lot. It's not thermal throttling, but how I say this, it gets very hot most of the time, and it's getting pretty annoying. But even then, like, it's very beautiful. Wow, I like it so much. But even then, it still works just fine. It's just that it is very hot to the touch and it gets very uncomfortable. And besides that, since I've bought it since like the launch, and years later until 2025, I would say from the 2024, the battery is just so damn bad. Like I can barely like get 5 hours. Actually no, like probably like 3 hours mostly on average, and you get like PTSD a lot when using it. Oh, I really like this bag. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna use that because I'm a huge fan of tote bags. I have a lot on my storage. Put it on the side here. Now, for the main show, the main star, Pixel 10 Indigo. Why? Because I like non-boring colors. Okay, I'm a fan of that. It's the same as how people complain about, oh, now all cars are just black and white. But at the end of the day, they are partially the problem because they themselves didn't want to like get the colorful ones. There's another problem is that most manufacturers just don't make any fun colors. Okay, apologize for the terrible unboxing. And there you go. There it looks beautiful. Now if I say Google Pixel 10 5G 6.3 inch and 256GB Indigo. God, I love this. So it looks like, I mean, I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it looks very cardboard-ish. I mean, because it is like a recycled cardboard. Now if I try to compare it with my old Pixel 6 box, if I can find it. This is the Pixel 6 pigeon case. Another case. Where I think it's this one. Yes, there you go, the Pixel 6 box, and it's slightly smaller. My intention of making this video is just to do some sort of like a memory lane memorization. The receipt. Oh wow, I still have the cable. I see. Okay, that's good to know, I guess. Okay, just the original Pixel 6 box, and now let's try open this. Oh, so that's how you do it. Peel this thing off. That's one. The second one. Okay, that's both of them. Very clean. Slide it, I think. Yes. Yes. There you go. Wow. Damn. Wow, that looks so damn cool. Oh, okay, everything just came off. Sure, I guess. Is there anything here? There is. I don't think I can. Oh, okay, I can. Nothing else besides the SIM kit, the SIM pin. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm sure everyone knows what it is. And then the cable. Nothing much. And the star of the show. Let's open this. Oh god, I ruined it. I'm sorry. I should have like looked at the phone instead of watching on my screen. My bad. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Oh, I definitely won't do this. I mean, so the Pixel 6 originally has like 6.4 inch, and the Pixel 10 is 6.3. It's a bit smaller, and honestly, I prefer like the boxy shape of the Pixel 6. Then it looks so sorry. Yeah, so I prefer the boxy look and the visor on the Pixel 6. But I mean, it's not the end of the world. Okay, although it's smaller in size, but at least the camera upgrades is better, but not. I do know that the Pixel 9 has better cameras, the better wide camera especially. Well, it's a trade I'm willing to take. I mean, if I don't like it, then I guess I'll consider the Pixel 10 Pro. We'll see. Only the time will tell. Okay, so that's the side-by-side comparison. Okay, now let's try to put it up. Okay, wow, that took so long. Alright, so while we are waiting for it, so let's talk about my thoughts about the Pixel 6. Now, I am kind of like disappointed that we get a worse camera and like a downgraded camera compared to the Pixel 9. Okay, so while we're waiting for this, I'm actually like trying to unbox the case that I bought from Shopee as well. Well, the sofa, I thought it would take longer. That I bought on Shopee because I'm really scared of like breaking this thing. And I also bought a screen protector by Rinke. Don't know how to pronounce it. There's 2 packs. There's 2 tapered glass, and there's also like some sort of like a tray or installation kit to make it much easier to install. So I bought it ahead of time. Like after I pre-ordered this, I really like bought the case and the tapered glass to protect it. Konnichiwa. Hola. Bonjour. It looks nice, I guess. I mean, it's the only case that has the MagSafe or Pixel Snap, I guess. I mean, it's MagSafe lah because of this thing. Because I really like. So I have a water bottle that has a MagSafe holder, and I just love it. You see how it works? Yes, I'm just so in love with this. I've been using it like almost a year now. Now, let's try to install it. English Malaysia. I mean, yeah, that's a problem. My Pixel 6 doesn't work anymore, so Okay, so setting up the Wi-Fi, if you excuse me. Okay, can put aside the case. Should I install it immediately? Yeah, maybe after I finish setting things up, I guess. Well, actually no. While we're waiting for this, I should just install it. Since there's not much, I mean, not smudges, but oh my god, it's so hard to open. For myself. Yeah, since there's not much dust on it, might as well trying to install it. Make sure that the fans are off. Okay, I really should just put this thing here. God. Come on. Okay, there we go. Go back inside. Take this. Yeah, just to make my table less cluttery. Come on. Oh, my email. Okay. So if you excuse me for a moment. My password. Tap yes. Okay. That should be it. Yes, I'm in. I agree. So I have no idea what to talk about. Okay, set up eSIM. Okay, for that one. Okay, so since I mean I need to like, register for an eSIM. Okay, so since I use U-Mobile, you have to pay like another 10 ringgit. Whenever you want to change from a phone using an eSIM into another. So I decided to like just not use the eSIM. I mean, since we have the physical SIM here, yes, I think you guys can see it. Yeah, so the physical SIM is there. So like, might as well use it since my secondary phone, which is an Honor 200 Smart something, it's not actually like a great device. I would say it's very annoying. There's so much like stuttery and bugs and everything. I mean, I'm not sure whether it's because of the chip or is it because of the optimization. Okay, I mean it's a free phone given from U-Mobile, so like might as well use it since my Pixel 6 is broken. Right, so let's do eSIM out. Put it aside. There you go. So for my US friends watching this, if there are people watching this, hopefully. So there's your physical SIM. So I know the US people are gonna be jealous, I think, since there are a lot of comments like from watching the videos. PIN must be at least 4 digits. I will set up my birthday for that. I mean, it's just temporary. Set up fingerprint. Can I not do that now? Face unlock also. Oh yeah, I forgot about face unlock. There's no face unlock for the Pixel 6. There was a point where people are like expecting. What I can't remember the word, but there was some leaks about Pixel 6 gonna have a face unlock. Unfortunately, that never came to fruition. Copy apps and data. Do it later. Accept. Turn on backup. Limited warranty. To view your limited warranty, select the country where you bought this device, Malaysia. Can we install the network glass now? There you go. Okay. Now let's talk about the phone. Now, what do I think about the Pixel 10? First and foremost, if you have a Pixel 9, I don't think it's worth it for you to change or upgrade to a Pixel 10. Yes, there is like a 30% performance uplift from Tensor G4 to Tensor G5, but does it worth it from, I mean, the downgraded camera? I mean, sure there is an upgrade of telephoto, but the wide camera though, I mean, as a person, I use a lot of wide camera shots. I mean, for example, if you have like a family like family photo shoot, you definitely need the wide camera, and you definitely need it to be so the crystal clear, like very sharp thing. Unfortunately, that's not the case for the Pixel 10. So like, say if you already have the Pixel 9, I would say just wait and see the reviews, or you can just go to any like retail shops that has the Pixel 10 on demo on display. I guess you can give it a try, and if you think like it's almost similar, then sure, I guess why not. If you have the money. But I certainly don't. Okay, so at this part of the video, I wasn't talking much because first there was Azan playing, or the Muslim calling for prayer playing at the background, and secondly, I just don't want to like any dust. Like I don't want to blow as I was speaking, blowing dust onto the screen, because that will be pointless. So yeah, I will just cut straight to the end of me installing the tempered glass case. Look at that. Very sorry for the messy table, but there you go. That is perfect. Wonderful. Now since the Azan has already finished, can change the mic gain up. Now, so why Pixel 10 over Pixel 9? Well, I try to avoid the Exynos chip on the Tensor 4 because I'm so done with it. I no longer have any trust on the Exynos chip because of the Pixel 6 experience. I mean, it's not bad. Besides the battery and the thermals, it's fine. Okay, it still works fine. I don't think I've ever had the encounter. I never experienced whenever I have to force reboot it because it got stuck. I don't think I've ever experienced that yet, and it will never happen since I can't even use it now. So yeah, that's the reason why I choose the Pixel 10. No more Exynos. I don't want any thermals. Hopefully this one doesn't. And I mean, since it's based on TSMC, I'm sure it's fine. Okay, so now while I do really like the color, I do kinda want to put a skin on the back cover. Okay, I'm not saying I hate it. I mean, why not? Just putting some flavors into it just to make it different from other Indigo users. But yeah, tell me your thoughts about this case and whether I have to put a skin on it. Now, for the teardown skin by Jerry Rick, I mean, it's fine, but I mean, it used to be cool, but now, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I'll take others beside other than that. Alright, so we are at the end of the video. So the purpose of me making this video is just trying to justify my purchase of the Pixel 10, trying to replace my Pixel 6. So I just share you my thoughts, my experience from the Pixel 6, which ends up to be the factor of me being the Pixel 10. So let me know your thoughts. You guys can just leave the comments below. I would like to have a conversation with you. And yeah, that's my experience from this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.